Hey guys, it's Cheyenne and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've had a little bit of an upgrade with my gold shells, which I'm super excited about. I've been wanting them for weeks and they finally arrived. It only took 2 hours to build. Thanks, Walt. But anyways, I'm excited. I want to jump into the video. Pixi by Petra sent me a beautiful PR package. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Pixi by Petra, they are sold at your local drugstores like Target, Walgreens, Walmart, and guess what? They're all under 30 bucks, which I think is amazing. They have skincare and they even have cosmetics. So I'm really excited. Pixi sent me some products from their skincare line, which I'm excited to review with you all. I'm gonna go one by one and talk about what I like about each of the products. So the first product I'm gonna use today is their Tzone Peel Off Mask. For those of you who don't know, your T-zone is here. You wanna make sure you apply a thin layer along your face, and you want to avoid your hair and your eyes. It actually smells really good. So you want to go ahead and leave this on for about 10 minutes. Pixi recommend you doing this about 1 to 2 times a week. This is good for people who have oily skin. For those of you who are interested to know what the ingredients are, I'll make sure to link them down below. I'm going to let this sit on my face for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it off and let you guys know what I think. So I just wiped everything off and the Tzone Peel Off Mask did exactly what it said it would. It tightened my skin and it feels amazing. The next product I'm going to be using today is the Peel and Polish treatment. This is infused with natural fruit enzymes and it will help remove any dead skin I have on my face. This smells amazing. I can't really distinguish what this scent is. It's kind of like a mango-y rose kind of scent, but it smells amazing. I'm gonna apply a thin layer along my whole entire face. This will help remove any dead loose skin I have. I can already feel all the little, I guess I would say it's kind of like a little sugar scrub. This feels really good. And my skin smells really good too. Now that I've had this on my face for about 2 minutes, I'm gonna make sure to lightly exfoliate all over. I'll make sure to lightly rinse off my face with cold water and I'll let you guys know what I think afterwards. Okay, so that left my skin feeling extremely soft and I even feel like there's a little glow to it, which makes me so happy because it removed all my dead skin. Next, they went ahead and sent me this Glycolic Boost, which is a face mask. They sent me a few, so I'm gonna make sure to try this later on tonight and I'll let you guys know how it is. But next, I do want to get started and let you guys know about the Glow Mud Mask. I'm really excited to go ahead and try this. This you need to leave on for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to apply a thin layer all over my face. This is great for your pores. And you just want to make sure you apply it everywhere, which is why I'm making sure to get my nose. Actually, this smells really good, I'm not gonna lie. I probably look so scary. Maybe I should scare Holt later tonight. How funny would that be if he was coming home from work and I popped out with this mask on. Boom! Sure, he'd get scared. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a thin layer all around my face. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 15 minutes. Oh, you guys, my skin feels amazing. I'm so excited to get into the next product with you guys. It is the Detoxified Eyes. This is great for reducing any dark circles you have underneath your eyes or maybe any puffiness. Oh, smells like cucumbers. So, little keynote, just be careful when you guys do get one of these. It is a little slimy and you can accidentally grab two like I just did. So you're gonna wanna make sure You apply it right underneath your eye. Just like that. This actually kind of feels a little weird, but it feels very refreshing. Ooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on for about 10 minutes. I know I kind of look maybe a little scary, but I'm really excited. I hope it helps reduce any puffiness I have underneath my eyes or maybe some dark circles. You guys, I totally messed up. I put these little eye masks the opposite way. It's supposed to be like this, just an FYI. But I'm so excited. I feel like that really helped reduce a lot of the puffiness I had. After using all these products, I can truly say, I feel like I had a little spa day at home, which was amazing. All these products are under 30 bucks, so they're very affordable. Like I said, you can find them at your local drugstores like Target, Walmart, Walgreens, wherever. But I want to say thank you so much to Pixi by Petra. This was a beautiful and such a relaxing little spa day at home. If you guys want to find any of these items, I'll make sure to link them down below. If you haven't already, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.